We're actually taking you guys with us to the what? The forest! To the forest! So, my husband was talking about this mushroom that you don't normally get in the market, but you can get it in the forest, and this is the season. And he said he wants to teach me how to pick mushroom.
You can get the market, but it's very expensive.
It's very expensive. Okay.
10 years it was 10 euro.
Woo! 10 euro 1 kilo for 10 years ago.
10 years.
So how much do you think they will sell it now? Eh? Let me come and see. Let's go and see this mushroom that will be so expensive. So guys, this journey I decided I'm not taking my shoes, I'm using my husband's shoes. So
you have to find shoes for the forest.
Forget about the color out. You know we women now. I think I can't spoil my shoes inside bush. So I decided to use the shoe. Look at this weekend house. This is the weekend house. Just during the weekend, just come here with your family and enjoy yourself. Play football in the field. And that house is the weekend house. Everybody in Croatia during summer, they love to go to weekend house. So that is it. White animals.
I have wild pig.
White pigs. White box. Fox. Wow.
But it's not, they are not actually scared.
Okay, they are scared.
Yeah.
It's like the pig, the white pig. We see somebody and want to attack.
Run away from the pig.
Does not attack.
Once I was up, and I was on my way. Pick up mushrooms, but not the top.
Yeah. Look at this beautiful nature. See the beautiful nature.
Wild pigs.
See the beautiful nature. So people have farm here. Some people have farm here. But where we are going is not actually farm, it's forest. Forest, you don't plant anything there. You know, you don't plant anything there. So I was actually talking about chestnuts. When I newly came, my husband was telling me about chestnuts. I said, what is chestnuts? So he said, okay, this is actually the season. This is the right time. So let's go to the forest and we'll pick some chestnuts. And I followed him. We came here to this forest. There's one thing about this forest, like it's the hills. Like the hills is it for me? You'll be so tired. So you guys, pardon me the way my breath, you know, pardon me. You can see where the way is going. The hills, man, the hills is something else. So when we pick the chestnut and we go home, we prepare the eats. Do you know that this chestnut tastes like yam? In my mouth, the roasted one, it actually tasted like yam. So look at this one that Robert picked. So what do you have to say about this mushroom?
We are using that one for some soup, but you have to boiling that one 1-2 times, I think. It's very, very bitter. But when it's using a bitterness, then it's good for eating.
It's bitter?
Yeah, you can use in like something like goulash.
So how do you enjoy this kind of thing that's bitter in soup?
I don't know.
I don't want the one that is bitter.
Oh, mushrooms.
No, mushrooms. I've eaten mushrooms and it's not bitter. There's this small house. Robert said it's for hunters.
Yeah, it's here. Where are you? So that's actually something. This is actually a place where hunters are and they are checking for wild animals when it's season. For example, white pig. Usually, hunters, they're putting these houses or where they are waiting here for animals. Even they are feeding. You can see even this bucket, yellow bucket here, they are putting sometimes food, and also they are just throwing to them. It's not always they are just killing, because you cannot kill any time animal, any season. For example, if it's too much wild pigs and it's coming season for killing wild pigs, then they will, if it's number of wild pigs too much, or fox even, so they are doing that one. That is normal that they are checking. Mostly they are coming on evening before night, 1-2 hours before they have to come. So it's their smell, it's losing in forest, you know, because if you come fresh and always animals can see they can filter your smell, you know, and if you are coming before, forest is taking your smell, you know, and so they are not visible anymore here. And yeah, that is it. Overnight they are coming here overnight, and then if they catch something, they catch. If not, not. But mostly I think yes. You see, corn, they are feeding here. They are feeding here animals, and from there, if he's come here, they are shooting on them. Where hunter can sit, rest, and he see. He is even for 2 hunters. One this place, one is taking this place. And that is it. So let's go down now.
That one is over there as well. I was tired of walking around. So I came there, I sat down there. But I forgot how to come here. And the hills, I'm scared of heights. I don't want to go. So I have to go back the same way I came. Unfortunately, we weren't able to pick any mushroom today. There was no mushroom in the bush.
This part.
I almost fell down though.
Let's go. Oh no, it's just only here. Come on.
don't live within this area, you can't come to this forest. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah, if you don't live within this area, you can't come to this forest. So I think because of that, because I know that I'm the only black person that lives in this area. So I'm the first Nigerian to come to this forest. Okay, so you can come and try it. Come and enjoy it. What's the name of this forest?
Medvednica. Medvednica. Now you can choose again which one.
No. I don't understand. You should help me to ask him. Who no road, they choose roads. Please lead the way, please. Excuse me. The first Nigerian to be in this. Where the visa? Where the visa?
Medvednica.
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 Medvednica forest.
Medvednica.
Yeah, I'm the first Nigerian to be here.
It's not your fault. He's asking me, this is actually my first experience seeing a forest. I was like, are you for real? Who told you that? We have forest. What? Did you guys hear that sound? Did you hear that sound? Did you hear that sound?